Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of the Rad Skate Park Check-In. This is episode 3. Right now, we are in Rye, New York at the Rye Skate Park. I believe we're in Westchester County. If you guys don't know who I am, I'm Vincent Basile, and like always, I have my man Anthony Biondo behind the lens. Today, we brought Matt Wheatman to come shred this park with us and get you a better look inside of the Rye Skate Park. So with that being said, let's show you what this park has to offer. Let's go in. All right, guys, welcome inside the Rye Skate Park. Right now I want to show you this little side section that includes a bank with a quarter and a smaller quarter section. It's got a bit of like a little S turn to it, a little bit of a curve. It's pretty much the whole side section of this wall. Now we're standing on the top, and they have this little fun box ledge feature. Usually you don't really see that too often, right? You're standing on top of a quarter pipe ready to take off, and then you have a box like right here, the takeoff zone. All right, guys, this is a super small skate park, so we're literally standing on the other side. It's the roll-in, another quarter pipe, you have a bank that's over there, and you have another quarter pipe that's slightly smaller than what you're seeing right now. If you guys want to check out what's over here, kind of like a hidden feature, like you didn't really notice walking in, but 8 stair with the little kinked handrail at the top, standing on the top. And here's a better look at the stair set. Step down and the handrail right up top, which is kind of like different. You usually don't see the features built on top, but here it is, a rail built on the top and another takeoff zone. Check out this bench with I guess a little wall ride, and it's actually got coping built on the top as well. So it's a nice little movable feature. Right now it's chained to the fence, so it's not that movable, but I'm showing it to you. It's here. Since we're talking about movable features, I just want to show you this this handrail right here. Totally movable. And rusted. Where are your skateboards at? You guys gonna skate?
Yeah, where's your skateboards?
Yeah, we have a channel where we
Wait, can I get a picture of you?
That's us right here.
Can I what?
Sure.
Wait, can I get one of your videos?
Absolutely. Is this your local?
Yeah.
What do you guys like about this park?
We like how people are like nice here,
Okay.
and they're just like there's like, yeah. So.
Other than that, what did you want to say? You said you wanted to say something.
Oh, go subscribe to this guy. He's really nice. And yeah.
Okay, so next year, you guys will all be riding skateboards.
Yeah.
Right? All right, back to business. Matt, what do we got over here?
Right now we have this hip, the other side of the hip, and the small, cute little down rail. Look at that.
Look, Vinny's getting a picture.
So cute. There's a really small hubba. Not too tall. It's like below to your knee, like really small. But this side, that's really bigger.
What do we got though? What is that?
That's a Euro gap. What do you got anything on this Euro gap? I don't know.
What do you got, Matt? What are you thinking?
Let's find out what I have. Excuse me, that's not a quarter pipe. That's like a launch ramp.
I mean, you could use it as a quarter pipe, don't know?
Yeah, I mean, you can. And you can also use this as a gap.
Or a ledge.
A ledge, huh?
Grind that, like if you're Tristan Maldonado.
New Rochelle Park after this.
Sydney Frank?
Sydney Frank,
yeah, we did that one.
Oh, right.
We did Yonkers. Those are the only two that we did like
So
Upstate-wise.
So far.
But we want to do the Mount Vernon one then.
Yeah, I was about to say that one. I haven't been there yet.
Yeah, dude, I haven't been there either, but it looks sick. Like, this isn't my style.
Yeah, no, I mean, yeah.
I'm literally gonna warm up here, and we're dipping.
It's fun, but it's very like transition heavy. Like
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is this your local?
I'm in between this and Sydney Frank.
Say something about the Rye Skate Park.
What's your name?
What's your name? Yeah.
Josh. You know, a lot of kids, but you know, they're just learning too, so you know, it's all good.
What's your local?
Either here,
Main local. Main
Sydney,
local.
Frank, maybe.
Okay.
Like 50 minutes away. I'd say check out there too. It's like this, but a little bigger.
Yeah, check that episode out. Sydney Frank. We've been there. All right, sick. Yeah, it was nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, bro,
Appreciate
nice
those
meeting you
words
too,
about
bro.
the
Thank you,
park.
bro.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, let's shred. Right on my leg, bro.
Wait, excuse me. Can you get like a clip of me?
Yeah, what do you want to do? Doing the stuff I won't do. Is this switch?
Yeah. Ready?
Yep. That was the one.
Ground report, it's good. The ground's like smooth, but this area is so cramped up. All the ramps are just like smushed together. I think it's like all right, not really the best.
How many?
3 stars.
2 stars from me.
I don't know, that is the crazy one.
That is the crazy one.
You believe in me? Do you believe in me?
I believe in you.
Good session, Matt. Thanks for helping out. Well, thank you for checking out the Rye skate park. It's a small skate park. I feel like we came here and we warmed up. I think we're gonna go check out another park while we have time in the day. Yeah, we just wanted to come here and show you a better look inside the Rye skate park, and hopefully you guys got a better idea of what's inside. Thank you, Matt Wheatman, for joining us in the session. Young Matt, throwing down, baby. You had fun?
Yeah.
I was not feeling this park, particularly not my style of a skate park, but we came here, we got a few clips, and yeah, we had fun. Shout out to Josh for coming in, getting a few clips.
And the locals here.
Shout out to the local scooter kids that said what's up and they watched the channel, they wanted stickers. We cannot grow without you guys that are watching. So without you guys, we're nothing. So we just wanted to give a big shout out to you guys. Check us out on social media at Rad Boardsport Co. Check out our online store at www.radboardsport.co. And please like and subscribe to the video if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to
like, comment, subscribe, and share. I thought you were gonna say that with me.
No, I was gonna say don't forget to ride all day.
Oh!
Come on, Matt. You can say it. Please don't forget to ride all day.
And please don't forget to ride all day.